This is a case of Manuel de Asis versus Court of Appeals, GR number 127578, February 15, 1999. Facts. In 1988, Vercel Andres, as legal guardian of Glenn Camel Andres de Asis, filed an action for maintenance and support against the alleged father, Manuel de Asis. In his answer, Manuel denied paternity of the said minor and theorized that he cannot therefore be required to provide support. With such denial, Vercel thus withdrew the complaint, subject to the condition that Manuel will not pursue his counterclaim. Manuel agreed, and the trial court dismissed the case with prejudice. 6 years later, Vercel filed a similar complaint against Manuel, this time in the name of Glenn, represented by her as a legal guardian. Manuel moved to dismiss the case on the ground of res judicata, but was denied by the trial court. The Court of Appeals upheld such denial. Issue: whether or not the action for support is barred by res judicata. The court held that the right to receive support can neither be renounced nor transmitted to a third person. Furthermore, future support cannot be subject of a compromise. Article 2035 provides that no compromise upon the following questions shall be valid: civil status of persons, validity of a marriage or legal separation, any ground for legal separation, future support, the jurisdiction of courts, future legitim. To allow renunciation or transmission or compensation of the family right of a person to support is virtually to allow either suicide or conversion of the recipient to a public burden. This is contrary to public policy. Hence, the first dismissal cannot bar the filing of another action asking for the same relief, having no force and effect. Furthermore, the defense of res judicata claimed by Manuel was untenable, since future support cannot be subject of any compromise or waiver.